there, stock market enthusiasts. Ever felt the stock market was a mysterious beast, confusing and full of risks? Well, guess what? It's time to tame that beast. If you've ever found yourself puzzled about when to buy or sell stocks, boy, do I have news for you. Today, we're diving deep into the TYKR lifetime deal. Yep, that's right, TYKR, your stock market compass and flashlight all wrapped into one. What's Tykr, you ask? Imagine you had this savvy stock market expert sitting right beside you, telling you exactly which stocks are on sale and why. Tykr is like that financial buddy, helping you navigate the volatile waters of stock investing. With Tykr, not only can you discover stocks before they become tomorrow's headlines, but you'll also gain insights into why a stock is a thumbs up, buy, or a thumbs down, sell. All this with just a few minutes a week. Time saving, right? Special AppSumo offer alert. Hold on to your hats, folks. While the official pricing rockets up to $900, AppSumo is offering a jaw-dropping deal at just $119. And drumroll, please, it's a one-time payment! Now let's explore the treasures you'll unlock with this deal. You'll get an easy-to-use dashboard that guides you like a GPS. Discover stocks before they become the talk of the town. Layman's language, so no more financial jargon headaches. And guess what? A whopping 20-year history of outperforming the S&P 500. Who's going to benefit from Tykr? Stock market beginners hungry for guidance. Freelancers wanting to grow their savings. Solopreneurs looking to diversify their income. Anybody and everybody looking to make their money work for them. Feeling the FOMO? Don't! AppSumo is here with a special treat. Discover the 6 powerful features of Tykr. The Tykr lifetime deal is a game changer for stock market enthusiasts seeking clarity and guidance. Here are 5 standout features of this offer. Expert stock insights. Tykr acts as your personal stock market expert, providing you with valuable insights on which stocks to buy or sell and the reasons behind these recommendations. It simplifies the complexities of the stock market. Time efficiency. With Tykr, you can save time by spending just a few minutes a week to make informed investment decisions. It streamlines the process, making stock investing more accessible to busy individuals. User-friendly dashboard. Tykr offers an easy-to-use dashboard, similar to a GPS, which guides you through your stock investment journey. It simplifies complex financial data and provides a user-friendly experience. Proven performance. The deal includes a 20-year history of outperforming the S&P 500. This track record of success adds an extra layer of confidence for investors looking to make their money work for them. Customized stock alerts. Tykr offers personalized stock alerts, notifying you when specific stocks meet your criteria, helping you stay updated without the need for constant monitoring. Don't miss out on this opportunity to access a lifetime of expert guidance in stock investing. Secure your Tykr lifetime deal today and join the world of smart stock investing with confidence. Score an extra 10% off! On top of the already awesome $119 deal, you have a chance to save even more. Yep, you heard it right. How to nab this offer? Head over to AppSumo's Tykr lifetime deal page. Spot that irresistible pop-up. Key in your active email address. Keep using that same email. Voila! Your 10% off code will be in your inbox. Real user reviews time. All right, let's spill the tea. What are Tykr users really saying? Still here? Quick! Secure your Tykr lifetime deal before it zooms off into the sunset. Dive into the world of smart stock investing with Tykr. Check the description, explore the magic, and snag that deal while it's hot. Found this little chat enlightening? Then smash that like button, share the knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe for more juicy deals and insights. Catch you in the next one!